applications is very much behind a lot of the demand for the UK network at the moment, and I'm joined by Gupta, who has just spoken about this at the conference. Tell us about the application effect on the network.
Yeah, so we've been using applications in our daily lives for a very long time. If you think about it, we have applications that help us wake up in the morning, heat the water that we use for our showers, controlling critical features in the cars that we drive. So applications have been a part of our life for a very long time, but obviously they're becoming a lot more smarter and connected as well. And I think when things like application program interfaces have become mainstream, it's allowed software and internet to become more open and programmable. And I think what's happened is, we've democratized application development.
Yeah, that's really interesting. But what effect has that had on managing the network as well?
I think inevitably, if you're a company that serves your customers through applications, as those customers demand more sophistication and more features, you have to be prepared to take on more complexities in order to deliver those features and that simplicity to the customers. So complex networks will be an inevitable part of your business growth. But complex is not the same as complicated. You need to have a way of simplifying how you manage and control your network traffic in a complex environment.
And how do you help your customers through that process?
So in Infradata, our approach is really to start off with the security of the design of the network. So security by design is something that we advocate, and we encourage our customers to be quite visionary in terms of how they expect or what their ambitions are for their business growth, and really think about how they're going to scale security and the infrastructure as they grow. So security by design is definitely the first point. And then we look at control and managing the visibility of network traffic. So as you inevitably may have more of a complex network, you need to be able to control it, you need to see it, and you need to be able to have the right tools to be able to kind of do that in a very simplified way. And then the third thing is orchestration and automation. You cannot rely on humans alone to kind of sit as intermediaries and take action. You need to have some smart tools that can do it in a more automated way, and inevitably start thinking about how machine learning and AI can come into play in order for that to happen.
Yes, so I guess really the application side is going to become more and more involved as we go forward into this world of AI.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's why we think it's an application economy. So yeah.
Absolutely. Well, look, thank you very much. That was a very interesting conversation. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much. Thank you.